Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, not that much about Laravel, but more about dev career, productivity and stuff like that. Today I want to talk about discussions online in general, about the tone, about the correctness of discussions, so to speak, because over the last week I participated in quite a few discussions, for example about return types in controllers. I already shot a video about that, and a few more quite polarizing topics of discussions. And there are many of such topics like which tool is better, which approach is better, and stuff like that. And what I noticed that some people come into that discussion with quite a toxic mindset. But not to hurt someone, they actually come to help, but with the goal to be the smartest person in the room, so to speak. They come with some fact of general knowledge with link to something, but usually contradicting to the author of the post or common opinion. They come with a message like, did you know that technically it's this and that? And with this video, I want to tell you first not to be such person, so don't try to be the smartest because that's not the goal. And instead, I want to suggest something that I've heard on one podcast. I listen to quite a lot of podcasts about business and productivity. So one of the podcasts I listened to are with Carl, titled the podcast episode, Be the Kindest Person in the Room. And I thought that it's such a great goal. And also watching Laracon India videos and photos from last weekend, they are so full of positivity and kindness to each other. Everyone is smiling, everyone is giving and sharing everything, not only knowledge, but energy, positivity and stuff like that. So in online discussions, couldn't we all be more positive, more kind to each other, like actually genuinely wanted to help, also genuinely be curious? So kindness means that you come to the discussion not to raise your point and stand your point, but be curious about something that you may be wrong about. If you are kind enough to admit that, if that helps other person in the discussion. And that's not only about online discussions. For example, in the companies, there are often disagreements, how to approach stuff. And if you approach the disagreement or some question with kindness in mind, kindness to your customer, kindness to your colleague who may be struggling with something, that may be a game changer and that may totally change your attitude and also the overall final result. In general, Laravel community has a reputation of kind and good community, but still sometimes there's some unnecessary drama on Twitter, and I participate in that a lot, and I'm trying to be better at phrasing things because sometimes I do slip and misphrase something and raise polarizing question not in a very well phrased manner, so I'm getting better at that. And just want to leave you with that thought. How can you be kind enough and approach any discussion or any disagreement or any question from the angle of how can you be the kindest person in the room, not the smartest? That's it, a philosophical topic, but I think it's quite related to dev community, and see you guys in other videos.